Hey everybody, how's it going? Hey, I just got home not too long ago, and when I got home, they let us go at 6 a.m. So this is the third snow duty they made me do, and I didn't push any snow at all. So altogether with this one, and the last three, three altogether, I got 70 hours overtime. So it's not too bad for doing nothing. Anyway, I get home at about probably 7 o'clock. Nobody's plowed the road, and car made it into the driveway, but as far as it went, it's like a snow with ice mixed in it. So I had to walk up to the house. It's a pretty good little walk from way down there where them trees are, and get the tractor and plow the road. So I plowed the road. I didn't do too good on the driveway. It's kind of a icy. So as soon as you plow it over, it gets hard, like it packs in the ice like an ice ball. So it was kind of hard to plow, but anyway, I did that, and then I bring some salt down there and put under the tires. So the it has a anti-slip system on it. See, they keep adding all these little safety features on the cars and stuff. And anyway, the anti-slip thing, every time you push the gas, it would like decelerate it because it's trying not to slip. So you push the gas and it wouldn't go because it's trying to make sure that you don't slip. So it won't let you go. So you're stuck there because this anti-slip thing they got installed in the engine. So I finally got out and got the car here. I went ahead and plowed the rest of the road real good. But anyway, see, it's like a crunchy ice snow. I think we got like probably 5 or 6 inches of snow here. We didn't get much at the airport, probably got 2 or 3, and then it turned all the rain. But here it turned more to ice and freezing rain. But it was probably like 6 inches of snow, and then the ice packed it down with a good, ½ inch of ice and stuff on top of it. Well, anyway, it's so cold in the ice and stuff, the chickens don't want to come out of their house. They're sitting in there. Bring some hay down for the rabbit. He's sitting on the ice. So we got some for the rabbits over there. So then I actually went up and threw a bale of hay out for the goats and the sheep, and some feed. I gave them some feed too, to see what's going on there. So I got 7 sheep, about 9 goats, and I got a male on each side of them. The one male, I'm not sure if he's the sheep ram, not sure if he's fertile or not. And the baby goat, I got him in the spring. He was just a kid, so I'm not sure if he got capable of actually impregnating her. Now the goats look fat, so I don't know if that's from give them a good source of hay. They don't have to go around and look for food. They just eat the hay, because they sure enough ain't leaving the barn. They've just been hanging up here at the barn. This stuff is hard to walk on because it's slippery, but then it crunches down, so it's like you're sinking every time, but you gotta be careful because it's slippery. Before it snowed, I got those crates I got from the thing. I put up on the house. I built that little wood for the wood. I put one of them on the side for temporary, keep the snow out. And then I came up here. I put 2 on each side of this to keep the snow off. They have a little bit, but I mean, they got the inside of that white shed they can go into, because there's no bottom. And then they can go in here. What y'all doing in here? Y'all getting warm? Y'all getting warm? The other day in the store here, I seen something move. I looked over and there was a damn fox in there. Looked like he had the mange real bad. So I stuck him some food right there. If he came back with some sheep dread, that will probably help with the mange. You'll probably take that stuff away. But you see, Dolly looks pretty good, fat. And see, that's the oh, this is a mama. This is the main mama here. See, she looks pretty plump too. See, I'm not sure though. They're hard to tell. And then there's the babies, but none of them look like they've gotten pregnant. Maybe her. She's getting pretty fat. I don't know. Maybe just from eating. But let's look out the window and see if there's. Oh shoot! I had that wall up, so I can't do that. Let's go out here and look. I guess. See if they got any hay left. I gave him a bale this morning. Let's see. See, I actually got the electric fence off because there's a big old tree down there. What y'all doing? Did that scare you? How much hay you got left? Oh, there we go. Ate that up pretty much, huh? See what bin I got. Look at the one underneath there. What are you doing in there? See? Oink, oink. How you doing? You got a little nest in here. Yeah? You staying warm, huh? You hanging out with Oink Oink? He keeping you warm? Huh? He keeping you warm? Hmm? Yum, 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 yum. Okay, shut back up. I'm gonna shut the door. Going in and out. See, she looks pretty plump. Yeah, her belly sticking out there. Watch out. Shut the door. I'm gonna throw enough. Let's see what you got over here. Huh? Left some over there, I think. See, I ate that pretty much. I don't know if that's it. I think it might be alright for more. I gave him food too. See, I still got some over there. I think it'll be alright. Y'all ain't ate all of it. Could throw him some grass down. I got some bags of grass. Let's see what we got up here. Ooh. Ooh, windy too. It's getting like gusts of wind. So look, I planned on electricity going off yesterday, but with this wind and stuff, might go out today. Turn the light here. I got these. Need to switch them over to LEDs. See, they got fluorescence. The thing with fluorescence, they don't do real good in the cold. They gotta warm up. Anyway, see what we got over here. Still got a bag of corn. Throw some corn down too. Whew. Still got all that hay left. These one big bags now. Let's see. I should just throw that down the steps. Sorry. Try and get this damn thing off the nail. Let's see, got one. Let's see if I can get down. It's too short. Short peel. Woo, that thing's heavy. Alright, let's drag these two over here down the steps. These old chair we found in the bar. I'm gonna try and restore it. These junk. Yeah, some old screens were probably for the old windows that used to be on the house. I'm not sure what that thing was. That has a fluorescent light in it. What kind of light? Probably could make some kind of incubator or something out of there. I don't know. Look, I had this guy clean up the barn, and I had wood scattered all over the place. And I said, hey, put it all in a pile over here, nice and neat. Well, man, he packed that thing in there. I mean, it's nice, square, neat. Got them all almost the same length on each end. I mean, real good job. But he didn't. If I need anything, I'd take the whole thing apart. So I need to get in there and get some boards so I start building another hive. I want to build another beehive. So I don't know. I need to get in there and tear that thing apart. I got the hay out of the middle. I was kind of waiting on that, so I'm going to have to pull it apart. Try and separate the boards. See, there's a nice wide board right there that I could get. That'd be a good one for the hive. Let's see. All right. Put this down without breaking the window. There. Whew, sure. These steps are way too steep too. I was thinking maybe taking this joist out here, another one back, go back another one, and then bringing this front to that ledge there. Another project. Oops. Turn this light off. All right. All right. Whew. Yeah, it's real windy. Come on out here. Out here. Now come out here. Here. Drop some grass down. Yeah, that's the clippings I get, and I'm saving these bags, net bags. They love that stuff. It's like, oh man, fresh grass. It's good, huh? You can't beat that, huh? Fresh grass. Don't step in it. That's the thing, you put it on the ground and they step in it and they pee on it or whatever, and then that's it. No, they don't want no more. So it's all kind of wasted. Let's get them some of this corn here. Yeah, but corn crop. Might do something different this year for sure. I think I got less back than I planted, but I probably got more. I'd end up mowing it down because there was so many weeds you couldn't get through it. That Morning Glories like had ivy everywhere. Here, want to go out here. Alright, throw a couple in there. We gotta go get it. I ain't gonna give it to you. Here. I just threw one on the ground. That's it. Go down on the ground and get some. Still eating that grass, see? Works out pretty good. Yeah, one year I got like 75 bags. This year I only got like maybe 10 or 20. I didn't really do much on that. But works out pretty good in the nut bags. I mean, if I had enough of them, I could probably feed them that alone, you know. It'd save me a lot of money. And it ain't that hard to do. All you gotta do is mow the rows all into one, then come in there and rake it and flip it over one time, and then go through there and bag it up. So the biggest thing is just takes a little time. Alright. Yeah, so I made it through another snow duty. I'm on there calling for something else at the end of the week. See how it happens with that. Didn't lose power this time. But I do have to go down and check the fence line. I told you about that big tree down there. Let's lock this up first. See if I can show it to you right. Alright, y'all. Take it easy. Woo, the wind's blowing. Here. See if we can look at that tree real quick. I planted, I got some more trees from Arbor. I think I said that on the last video. I planted them. They don't look so good. I mean, the first ones they sent me in the middle of summer, and they were all burned up and dried up. So I sent them an email back saying, you know, they're pretty much dead. So they said, well, next season we'll send you some more. So they did the complete opposite. They sent it in the middle of winter. It says plant it. Says plant right away, even if the ground's as long as the ground's not frozen. I did, but they don't look so good. Yeah, I don't think any of them made it. I think they're all dead. Anyway, you can see that tree down in the pond. I thought it wasn't too bad, but I went down there, still hooked to the root, so there's actually root pulled out. So I gotta go down there and cut that up with the saw and then drag it over the fence because it's through the fence. And then the fence line all the way down there, there's trees all over it. So I actually got the fence turned off because it's not really doing anything. So yeah, so till the next video. I'll see you next time. Still gotta get my garden cleaned up before soon. I mean, it's end of January. Coming up quick, planting season. Alright, see ya.